Hello! Maganda ba ako? O ngayon, malalaman niyo kung paano ko pumayat. Tatanungin natin ang babaeng maganda. Oh my gosh! Babaeng maganda, di ba? Nandito tayo sa kanyang clinic, sa Ivy Clinic.
Kamusta?
Kamusta na?
I'm Dr. Ivy. Ako ang dahilan kung bakit ka
Kung bakit ako pumayat. Hindi
at
ba?
gumaganda.
At
At bumabata. 25 years old ba to?
Wow.
Parang feeling ko parang...
Ako ng ano eh, 40.
Hindi ako papayat.
Diba?
42.
42.
Oo, pwede.
Naku, Diyos ko.
Diba? Parang...
Ayan, sabi ko na sa inyo, di ba? Abangan nyo at ngayon na i-divulge ang mga dapat i-divulge. Kaya alis dito lang hindi natin nalalaman ang totoo. Di ba?
At rampa ka daw, sister.
Rampa tayong dalawa.
Yung rampa mo, yung Ivy rampa sa Ivy Hallway.
Oo. Handa na kayo? Okay, handa na rin kami. First question, sis.
Yes.
Okay. Paano po tayo nagsimula?
Diba?
Alam mo ba?
Well, actually, I can still remember that first time we went to the clinic. You told me that you wanted to try me as your doctor. And honestly, when you came, syempre I was so flattered. Yeah, because hindi mo alam, talagang I really like you a lot as an actress. But of course, I didn't know yet you as a person. But I really...
pala.
Oo nga, I know! And of course, it's an honor for me. And I'm very flattered na actually you wanted to see me and be your doctor.
Wow. At kung alam mo lang, dahil nung nakita kita, sabi ko, oh my God. Sabi ko, Diana, siya talaga ang doktor ko. Sabi ko, tignan mo naman, ang ganda ni Ivy. Sabi ko, ang ganda-ganda niya. Sabi ko, ganun gusto ko. Sabi ko, maganda.
Wow, thank
Saka,
you.
ang bait-bait mo talaga.
Actually, what I really loved about us is that the first time tayo nagkita, talaga nag-click na talaga yung ating friendship.
Hindi mahirap.
Yes.
Swak agad tayo.
Yes.
Kaya nga, sabi ko, magaang yung loob.
Yes.
So, bakit mo ako kinuha na ambassador?
First of all, I think as an actress, I think you're really one of the best actresses in the country. And I think a lot of people look up to you. And I would say, hindi mo nga alam. Actually, talagang I really loved you and I really loved watching your movies. Kumbaga, idol kita from young pa. No, totoo yan. I just found you very fascinating, very real, very true. And I feel that you're such a true person that a lot of people can connect to you. And also, because naman, ang ganda-ganda mo naman talaga. Diba? So, bagay na bagay.
Ivy yan, Ivy.
Exactly. Diba?
This face belongs to Ivy.
Of course.
O para sa mga anak ko yan, na nagtatanong kasi palagi sa akin. Ano nga ba ang ginawa mo sa akin at pumayat ako? Yan ang talagang walang kupas na tanong. Please, sagutin mo.
Actually, sister, I have to say, a lot of people are so inspired with your transformation. In fact, I mean, hindi ko pa nakikwento sa'yo, I have a lot of patients who actually come here and tell me, ano bang nangyari kay Maricel Soriano? Bakit ganun siya kapayat? Bakit ganun siya kaganda? And you really represent the 50s na talagang beautiful and young and fresh at your 50s. Pero bago ko sagutin yung tanong mo, I have to ask you first, ano pa talagang nag-inspire sa'yo to undergo this transformation?
Okay, ako, ito yung totoo, ha? Ito yung totoong ang hirap. Kasi pag manjubis ka, ang hirap gumalaw. Mabigat. Feeling mo, mabilis ang galaw mo, pero actually hindi totoo, mabagal. Tapos yung mga anak ko, yung mga doggies ko, kakargahin mo, hindi mo makuha. Parang may salbabida ka dito, di ba? Hindi mo madukwang at makuha. Hirap na hirap talaga ako. Tsaka ang hirap pagbihis, di ba?
Agree.
O ilang beses, nakasampung damit ka na, hindi mo pa mapili yung susuotin mo.
Parang you don't feel good about yourself.
Ayaw mo na lang umalis ang
Agree.
ending. Ganyan. Parang gusto mo na lang magmukmuk, tapos ang ending, kakain ka na naman. It's a cycle.
It's a cycle.
Hindi maganda. Sabi ko, dapat hindi na ako maging ganito. Ayoko maging ganito ako. Ayoko.
Sister, when was that moment na sinabi mo, I really have to do this?
Noong nag-start na ako na, ilang consecutive Tuesday, nandito. Hindi ako nag-absent.
Yes, totoo
Wala
yan.
akong absent.
May Tuesday club kami where Sister Maria comes here at the Ivy Clinic every Tuesday, no miss.
No miss yan. Nandito ako.
Nauuna pa nga siya sa akin dito eh. Parang nandiyan ka na. Ako nga wala pa sa office ko, nandiyan ka na.
At mind you pag ganito na yung age mo, mahirap dahil matagal. Yung pumayat ka na, let's say, ng 5 pounds, hindi mo makita yung 5 pounds. Asan yung 5 pounds? Ang hirap. Kinausap ko talaga yung sarili ko, magtsatsaga tayo, magtitiis tayo para ma-achieve natin yung gusto. Kasi ang kapal ko na eh.
Actually, I showed a photo of my sister Maria. Pwede namin i-share sa inyo yon. Her photo that was last year or 2 years ago. My goodness, you have to see how she looked. Kasi talagang big transformation.
Oo. Ang totoo niyan, yung lifestyle din, mapapalitan. Kasi kung handa kayo sa ganon, yan, yung sasabihin ni Dr. Ivy ngayon sa atin, pag-isipan yung mabuti. Kasi hindi biro ito.
I agree. I think it's really a joint effort. Kasi no matter what I do, but if you're not serious and you're not dedicated to really change yourself for the better, to really work hard to achieve what you want to achieve, it's really very difficult. Kaya naman, I'm so happy and I'm so proud of you, sister. And I think because of that, marami kang mai-inspire, sister. How old are you?
I am 57.
57. A lot of people in their 50s or late 50s would say, alam mo, matanda na ako. I'm not young anymore. Hindi ko na ma-achieve yan. It's not possible anymore. But I think, you're a living proof that no matter how old you are, it doesn't matter what age, but if you have the willpower to do something about yourself, kaya mo yan.
Akala ko hindi ko maaabot yung ganito kapayat.
Grabe, I see her every week. And as I see her, every week pumapayat siya. At gumaganda lalo. Lalo kang gumaganda. And I think we're getting there now. Pero sister, how many pounds did you lose?
Mga 30.
My goodness, 30 pounds. And do you feel better? Do you feel lighter?
I feel lighter now. At saka naaabot ko na yung mga anak ko. Yung mga aso ko, naaabot ko sila. Hindi na ako nahirapan.
Pero sister, when people see you, I mean your friends or when you're shopping in the mall, what do they say? Nagugulat ba sila?
Sabi, ang ganda-ganda mo, ang payat mo. Ako, salamat po. Ulitin mo nga ang sinabi mo.
So when you hear that, does that inspire you?
Oo naman. Siyempre, yung paghihirap ko, ang ginagawa ko kasi lately, kakain ako pero konti lang.
I can see the difference I used to see Maria before in the clinic. When she was bigger, iba yung mood niya. Medyo minsan wala siya sa mood. Pero ngayon, nung pumayat ka, you're always happy. You're always so inspired. And parang feeling ko ngayon, lumalabas ka na. Dati ako palagi nasa bahay, hindi lumalabas, tinatamad magpa-treatment, walang gana.
Ngayon, always present.
I know. At ang fashion, sister, what can I say, ha? Grabe, she's so fashionable now that she's so thin.
Oo, kasi masarap na magbihis.
I know. Kaya nga, every time I see her, I compliment her kasi, wow, sis, ang ganda ng suot. Maria has always been very fashionable ever since, di ba?
Ako?
Oo! I've always admired your sense of
fashion.
Hindi, palaging classy and sophisticated. Diba? Yung mga, remember yung mga Inoso Today's mo?
Ay, oo.
Diba? Yung mga awards night. See, I know, sabi sa'yo, fan ako eh. Yung mga awards night dito, every time she's famous, palagi siyang best dress. Always with her nice diamonds and her simple gown. Pero carry mo, sister, kasi.
Kapiraso lang kasi.
Oo nga.
Pero lumaki. Kapiraso mo. Lumaki. Napakajaya. Lumaki talaga.
Bakit ka naman lumaki before? What happened, sister?
Kasi nung nag-COVID, di ba, wala kang magawa. Di kain ka lang kain. Wow, yung kain ko ngayon, ang bilis ko nag-gain. Unbelievable. Parang tinignan ko na yung pagkain. Nag-gain na ako eh.
Parang nag-bloat ka na kaagad, no?
Bloat agad ako. Ang bilis ko tumaba.
So sister, may pag-asa pa pala ang mga 50s.
May pag-asa. Kahit ng 60s meron.
Pwede pa. That's
Pwede.
true.
Basta gusto nyo, may paraan. Pag ayaw nyo,
pero
may
sister, aminin mo, hindi mo yan ma-achieve without coming to Ivy.
Ay, syempre.
Diba? Magpakatotoo tayo.
Yung totoo, hindi talaga ma-achieve. Huwag ko lang
Week
Ayan,
pa.
sasabihin mo na sa kanila ngayon.
Yes.
O anong ginawa mo sa akin.
First of all, since in the beginning talaga, we really wanted Maria to lose weight. Yun talaga yung priority namin. Because sometimes, no matter what you do, kahit anong treatment ang gawin mo, kung medyo you're bigger and you're a little bloated, talagang mahirap. Talagang sabi ko, sister, we have to lose weight ha. That's why we started Sister Maria on Dr. Food. So Dr. Food yung talagang meal planning para we can control what she eats, tapos less carbs, less salty food, so that's one way. And then sinabayan din namin ng injections, di ba, sister?
Yun yung meso na.
Yes, we did mesotherapy. At the same time, we also did H2 injections. Yung mesotherapy, injection yun para mag-burn ng fat. And then the H2 injection naman para medyo mabawasan yung appetite. Diba? That started it. And then after that, you got encouraged na pumunta dito for your body treatments. So ano yung mga favorite mo, sister? Nare-remember mo ba yung mga favorite mo?
Yung dome.
Yes.
Yung dome natin.
Yes, the IV dome wherein you enter this parang chamber na parang medyo mainit tapos pinagpapawisan ka.
Oo, parang ka nag-sauna.
And then you can do that once a week, sister, diba? And then we also do your favorite mong Onda. Onda Plus.
Pamelt ng tabako.
And it was really a combination, sister, of diet, body treatment, and some injections. Kasi nga, sister, you know, ang dami talaga nagtatanong.
Hindi ba natatakot sa injection?
Oh, ano, sister?
Ay, hindi kasi ako takot sa injection. Tsaka, no pain, no gain. Diba?
Actually, sister, totoo. Kung gusto mo talaga.
Oo. Wala naman eh. Hindi mo mararamdaman. Huwag mo lang isipin. Kasi basta tsumika ka lang ng tsumika, chichikahin ka naman nila.
And then after that naman, syempre, pag pumayat naman, magsasag naman ang face.
Kaya hindi kailangan i-thread. Diba? Para hindi magsag ang face. Kailangan ma-maintain.
Kailangan tightening. So, we did Ulthera.
Ulthera.
Yes, Ulthera is one of our favorite treatments to melt the fat. Recently, we did thread lift to pull the face kasi nga pumayat na siya. So, lumalabas na yung mga laugh lines, bumabagsak na yung face. On the IV thread lift was one of the treatments we did. And a lot of people actually, akala nila nakakatakot yung thread lift.
Ay, hindi. Hindi yung nakakatakot yung thread lift. Kaya ko nga eh. Kaya nyo rin.
Pero you know, the good thing about it, akala nila when you do the thread lift, you look pulled na pulled. Sabi nila, baka naman sobrang ganon, takot sila, na they look different. So
ganito,
sister.
Ganito.
Tingnan mo, yes. Look at Maricel. Hindi siya halata. It's not obvious.
Halata ba? Di ba maganda naman ako?
And then we also had to melt a little bit of the fat. So we had to do injections like Facetune to melt the fat, especially yung mga double chin. And then, usually yung maintenance treatments ni Maricel would be the Protégé, the Beverly Hills Lift. And of course, recently we also did the soft wave, the IV soft wave.
Maganda yun.
Ganda na, no?
Yun, instant talaga. Kailangan yung gawin yun. Soft wave. Para naman sa mga anak-anakan ko na nag-iipon pa ngayon, ano naman yung pwede nilang gawin habang nag-iipon pa sila?
Actually, Maricel, akala kasi ng iba, doing all these treatments is mahal. Meron namang mahal na treatment, meron din namang affordable treatments. I think it's important for us to educate everybody na visiting a dermatologist naman, hindi naman talaga palaging mahal. Because as a dermatologist, pwede naman namin i-recommend yung treatments na pwede sa budget ng pasyente. Huwag kayong mabait ako. Then number two, syempre naman, not everyone naman has the time. Like you na masipag na talagang every week nandito. I think it's really important that we take care of ourselves, whether or not we can visit the clinic or nasa bahay tayo. Actually, ang kaigihan ng pandemic, marami na tayong mga home devices, sister, na pwede mong gamitin at the comforts of your home. Whether or not you buy it in Ivy or there's so many online shops also that have all these home devices, pwede naman yun. Maricel is really known for her good skin. Para ma-achieve ang good skin, you really have to have a good skin care. So there are two ways, either over-the-counter yung mga skin care, pero if you have sensitive skin or problematic skin, you really have to consult a dermatologist or come and see us. So we can recommend a skin care.
Ako din, pag may nagtatanong sa akin, sinasabi ko, hindi naman sa pag-ano, pero kasi I go to Ivy. Ay, masasabi ko sila lang, galing nila. Pumunta kasi sa kanila kasi ang mahusay talaga.
Tsaka even if you, let's say, you use your skincare, minsan talaga, kailangan pa rin natin ng treatments as well to complement the skincare.
Correct.
But yes, if you really cannot come, please invest in a good skincare. Tsaka ang skincare naman ngayon, iba-iba naman ang presyo, sister. Diba?
Mabait talaga siya. Kaya, mga anak, mag-ipon pa, ha? Teka muna sa dalila. Imbes na kinikwento natin, pakita mo nga. Ipakita nga natin.
Sa'yo ba yan, sister?
O ba, alam mo naman ako, basta sa pag-IV eh. Diba?
Ang dami mong sinapping, ha?
Ito.
Oo.
Yan.
O, yan, tingnan mo. Talagang IV siya talaga. Ang dami niyang binili.
Meron ako.
Oh, this one is the IV Clear. And this one is a home device that you can use. Sakali may mga blackheads ka, mga dead skin. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa bahay. So yan, pwede alisin yung mga blackheads, yan, mga whiteheads. Actually, it's very easy to use para meron rin kayong facial at home.
Correct.
So ito yung IV glass. Meron tang IV glass mist, nakaka-brighten at anti-aging. So isa-spray mo lang siya and it's very good for brightening. Yung mga nagpupuyat, nanonood ng Netflix gabi-gabi, ito yan, the IV eyes. It will help with your eye bags and your fine lines and wrinkles. Ayan, sabi sa inyo eh.
Kasi, yun nga eh, pwede naman yung konti yung pwede nyo ibili ng gadget para sa bahay nyo na lang gagawin, di ba? O, ayan. Di ba? Ang dami nyo nakuhang tips kay Dr. Ivy. Kaya dapat alam nyo na ang gagawin. Okay? Pwede magtanong, pwede mag-consult dito. Pumunta lang kayo dito sa Ivy. Di ba?
Wow naman, sister. Thank you so much for inviting me tonight in your vlog. Alam mo, I'm so proud of you because ang galing-galing mo at success ang yung vlog. Ang daming nanonood, including myself. So, ito na ang tanong ko. How do you feel, honestly, when you hear people say, ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon?
Alam mo, syempre kinikilig ako, di ba?
Uy, kinikilig siya.
Natutuwa ako dahil parang sinasabi, ang ganda-ganda mo. Hindi, it's not my fault. My fault. No? Sila na nagsasabi.
It's my fault, actually. Ako yon. It's my fault, kaya ka maganda. Kaya wala kinaibigan mo ko. Nakahalap na ako na eh.
Hindi, bayan yung kapatid tayo.
Ganon. And then that's true. Actually, kami talaga ni Maricel is parang sisters. Kaya nga, sagutin mo yung tanong ko, ano bang feeling maging the new idol?
Wow!
Of the women.
Hindi,
in their 50s.
Masaya ako. Makikita mo naman kasi yung happiness na yan na nakikita sa mukha. Hindi fake, diba?
Wow. Sister, would you say this is the happiest you've ever been in a long time?
In a long time.
Yeah. And I can see it. I remember, mga 2 years ago, nag-usap pa kami ni Maricel. Sabi niya, hindi ako inspired. Ayoko na. Tinatamad na ako. Pero ngayon
parang baligtad na. But it's not my fault.
It's not your fault. It's my fault. And I'm really so happy to see the new Maricel.
Maraming salamat sa'yo at sa inyo pong lahat na nanonood. Sana po nag-enjoy kayong lahat. And, sabay tayo. It's not our fault. It's not. O kayo, lahat ng nandito sa ilalim, alam niyo na kung ano yan, hindi ba? O gawin niyo na lahat ha, please. Thank you.
Bye!
Salamaste!